no gold is not enough.
Hey everyone, this is David Perez, and this is my channel in YouTube, where I share any information about NFTs, crypto, and any other thing that comes, any other topic that comes in your mind. And if you really like this YouTube channel, you can subscribe and also like this video, and you're welcome to join us. As some of you might not know me, because my content is more in Spanish and English. Well, like I said before, I do NFT gamings, NFT cryptos, and any other topic that comes in the market in my social media. And recently I've been noticing how people want to get into the NFT, into the crypto world, but they don't really have that knowledge that they really want to get. So today we're launching this website that we've been working for the past months, for any person that wants to teach, that wants to also learn about crypto, NFTs, and any other topic that comes to your mind. Like, it doesn't really have to be just crypto and NFTs. It can be about social media, streamers, and any other thing that comes to your mind. Today we're launching this website called Zeven Meta, where you can post your jobs in the website, and people can then come to your post, to your profile, and see what kind of jobs you are providing. This also, it's really good for our new way to get into the metaverse, where we know that it's gonna be a huge thing very soon. So yeah, we saw these kind of problems where people wanted to share, for example, how to play Axie Infinity, but they don't really have a way where they can connect from each other and also trust, and see if they really got experience in the in the field. So with Zeven Meta, we can post a job, we can put a description, we can also see the reviews that the person has. So yeah, and also people can pay BUSD, which is a stable coin of Binance compared to the US dollar. So today I'm gonna show you how it works, and you can also join whenever you want, and also if you like to join. But this is just the beginning, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is the main page from Zeven Meta, and we can see here, well, that obviously we have a bar of search where you can see what you're looking for. If you're looking for how to buy, how to sell NFT, how to play Axie Infinity, how NFTs works, how NFT games works, or for example, if you want to become a streamer, or if you want to start a new social media account. So you can also see any type of jobs that you would like to learn. Then you can search here in the main area. And this Zeven Meta, it's also for Hispanic speakers. So we've created this website also in Spanish. So if you are looking for the Spanish version, so you can also click in here Spanish, and then most of the website will be translated to Spanish. Well, we can see here how we have some of the jobs already. This is just an example from Josema and myself that we've created, so people can see how it works. But yeah, I'm gonna show you, for example, the one that I created in English. You can also create yours in English or any other language that you like, and people will see and come to your post. But this one, for example, is how to create and build an audience in any social media. So we can see here the reviews, we can see here how many jobs has been sold, and the type of the category in the website that is being shown. And we can also ask questions to the person, and we can also add to favorites if we will want to. And also here, this is the button that we can click to buy and then pay with cryptocurrency. This is obviously just an example, so it's not available. But once you put your price, then people can click in here and then go straight to the cryptocurrency payments. We can message a person and we can see here what is this about, and then so we see the person is writes here whatever they like to then show the other person what they're offering. And this is a part where it gets exciting, because this is gonna be from the creative of people to show what they really want to share, and to be the best part of them compared to the other competitives, because obviously we're gonna see other people, maybe they want to also share any kind of post similar to yours. But if you really have a good description and also good images and videos maybe in YouTube, then it's gonna make you in a position in a better position than the others. So yeah, this is just an example, and then we can also post the images here. Any type of material support that you want to put in here, then you can also put in here, of course. And you can see here the details from the seller. In this case is myself, but you can see how this person also has any other jobs in Zeven Meta. So I've got another 2 jobs in here in Spanish, so I can also show the other people. But yeah, you can see here all the details, the job sold and the ratings. So you can really see how this person has been making an impact in others, and if you really trust this person, if the other people liked it or not. So this is really good in that sense, because before we would just contact someone in Facebook or like Discord or Twitter, which are the 3 main social media, but we couldn't see if they really had a review, if they really made any sold jobs before. But with Zeven Meta we can make this. So yeah, you can message people, and so this is very simple to get into the website. We just click the button of register, and from there we have 2 options, which is the member and also the seller. And the member is the person who buys the product, and also the seller is the person who provides the product. And very simple, we just click in here and then we fill these camps in here, username, first name, last name, email, and then also the crypto wallet number. And this is a really important part where we have to place a crypto wallet number that is supported by BUSD. It could easily be Binance, which is the most famous one, but it has to be supported by BUSD. For example, running wallet, which is the one from Axie Infinity, it doesn't work, and you can also lose your crypto. But just make sure that you put a BUSD wallet number, and then you'll be fine. So yeah, guys, this is Zeven Meta. This is just the beginning, and I'm gonna explain a little bit more in the next part. So Zeven Meta is here, it's already working, and I'm gonna invite you to come and post your job. And also, if you like to learn about any topic, you can also come and join the website to then learn about any other topic that you would like. Maybe if you want to learn about how to buy and sell NFTs, if you would like to know how to trade crypto, which is very important these days, and also if you want to get into maybe NFT games like Axie Infinity, you want to learn how it works, you want to learn how to build a team, you want to learn how to start making money with NFTs, then this is your website where you can find other people that are teaching about how to get into that. And just remember, it's not just for crypto and NFTs. It can go any further, and it's just gonna depend on your creative and how to provide these services to people. It can also be, for example, if you want to become a streamer in Twitch, for example, and you want to teach how to set up your camera, how to set up your microphone, what's the best way to start, and how to create an audience, then you can also provide this in here. Also, if you want to start a social media account in Instagram, and I don't know, your target is gonna be let's say fashion or or fitness or cryptocurrency, NFTs. It's just gonna depend on you in how you're gonna sell your jobs into the website so people can start getting your services. This is the part that is really important, is that this is in crypto. So compared to other websites, we are the first ones doing in cryptocurrencies. So then you can start getting your payments in BUSD, which is a stable coin in the cryptocurrencies, compared to the with the US dollar. So yeah, as we go and then as we see how it goes, we're gonna be also developing more and more in the website to put more good stuff for you guys so we can make it even better. This is just the beginning, and well, once again, I'm gonna invite you to come and join us in the Zeven Meta website, which is just the beginning, and it's gonna get really good. So thank you so much again. I don't usually do videos in English, but this is worth to make so people can join then Zeven Meta. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, just click the like button and also subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna come with you guys with more news, maybe my social media accounts that you can see in here. And yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy Zeven Meta. Thank you.
And our goal is not